Welcome back to Code and Current Studio. In stage 1 of our Smart Safe Arduino project, we're laying the foundation for a secure, interactive locking system. This stage introduces the basic password entry mechanism using a keypad and LCD display. We're also introducing a potentiometer to simulate a single door. This helps us detect how open the door or how close it is to being fully closed. We are using the following components: Arduino board, breadboard and jumper wires, 4x4 keypad, 16x2 LCD screen, and an analog sensor simulated with a potentiometer or switch. In this stage, the keypad is connected to digital pins 2 through 9. The rows of the keypad are connected to pins 6 through 9, and the columns are connected to pins 2 through 5. This allows the Arduino to detect which button is pressed by scanning the rows and columns. The LCD screen is an I2C model connected to the Arduino's SDA and SCL pins. This simplifies the wiring and communication, as only 2 data lines are needed. Both the LCD and the potentiometer require connections to 5 volts power and ground to operate properly. The analog door safe sensor simulated with the potentiometer is connected to analog pin A2. It provides a variable voltage that represents the door's position, helping the system to determine whether the door is open, ajar, or closed. All right, let's take a look at the code. The code begins by initializing the LCD and keypad. When the safe is locked, the LCD prompts the user to enter a password. As each key is pressed, the input is. Once 4 characters are entered, the code checks if the password matches the value. If correct, the safe unlocks, displays access granted, and the door. If incorrect, it shows wrong password. While unlocked, the system monitors the door sensor. If the door sensor closes again, the safe automatically relocks and resets the display. This basic logic sets the stage for more advanced features in later stages. Alright, so let's start the simulation and mess with this a little bit. So we can see that the safe is currently locked. It wants us to enter the password. So the preset password is going to be this 456B. Let's move it a little slow, but if we enter the wrong password, then we get that message. Let's try that again. 4, 5, 6. B, access granted, door unlocked. So this switch down here would represent the door. It would be mounted on a hinge. So as we open our door, so we can see that it recognizes that the door is opened. And then as we close the door closed, safe locked. So then it would reset itself and go back to wanting the password. Try entering different passwords on the keypad. Watch how the LCD responds to correct and incorrect entry. You can simulate the door sensor using a potentiometer or switch to test the auto locking. If you're following along, consider picking up an Arduino starter kit. It includes all the components used for this project and more to expand your learning. Check the video description for links. That's it for stage 1. You've built the core of a secure, smart, safe system. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Arduino